4-inch square box can indeed have a underwriter's laboratories, all listing for pendant mounting. However, certain conditions must be met to achieve this listing. Firstly, and most importantly, the box itself must be specifically marked suitable for pendant mounting. This marking indicates that the box has been tested and approved for such use. Secondly, the box must have a hub or some other method of reliably securing the pendant cord. This ensures that the cord is properly attached to the box and cannot be easily pulled out. Thirdly, the cord itself must be at least 10 feet in length. This requirement helps to prevent strain on the cord and the box. Fourthly, strain reliefs must be properly installed on both ends of the cord. These strain reliefs are designed to protect the cord from damage caused by tension or pulling. Now let's consider the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, requirements for pendant-mounted fixtures. OSHA mandates that pendant-mounted fixtures must be supported by a cord that is firstly of sufficient strength to support the weight of the fixture, preventing the fixture from falling and causing injury or damage. Secondly, the cord must be protected from damage by strain reliefs. These strain reliefs, typically installed at the point where the cord enters the fixture and the support structure, absorb any stress on the cord, preventing it from fraying or breaking. Thirdly, the cord must not be spliced or damaged. Any splices or damage to the cord can weaken it and increase the risk of electrical shock. Fourthly, the cord must be long enough to allow the fixture to hang freely. This prevents the cord from being stretched too tightly, which could damage it or the fixture. In summary, when using 4-inch square boxes for pendant mounting, ensure that the boxes are marked suitable for pendant mounting, that they have a suitable hub for cord attachment, that the cord is at least 10 feet long, and that strain reliefs are properly installed at both ends of the cord. By adhering to these guidelines and meeting OSHA requirements, you can ensure a safe and compliant installation.